Next question, question number 7. In the given figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. So this is the square. It has the side 14 centimeter. Okay. Which centers ABCD? So square 14 centimeter with the centers ABCD and the centers of these four circles. A is the center of this circle. B is the center of this circle. C is the center of this one. D is the center of this one. Okay, are drawn such that each circle touches externally two of the remaining three circles. So each circle touches externally two of the remaining three circles. So you can see here this A is touching B and D circles. C is touching B and D. That is the meaning. Okay. We have to find the area of the shaded region. We should find area of this portion. How can we find? First of all, you should find area of square ABCD, because this portion comes inside area of square ABCD, correct? So first of all, we have to calculate the area of square ABCD. Next, if you are subtracting area of this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, you will get the required area, correct? So what is this? This portion means all the circle have same value, correct? So you should calculate area of each sector. Area of this sector, again this sector, this sector, this sector. But you can calculate only one sector area, because this area should be equal to this one, this one, this one. So you should multiply one area into 4. So you will get the 4 portions area. So area of square minus this 4 portions area, you will get the shaded portion area. That is the method. Okay. So first of all, we can start with here. Area of each of the 4 sectors is equal to each other, and it is a sector of, here it is making 90 degree because this is square, correct? So 90 degree in each of the circle, and it has the radius how much? Total length is 40. So half of the length is 7. So radius we can take it as 7. So I am calculating area of each sector. How can we calculate? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta here it is 90 degree. R is 7 centimeter. So substituting the values, you will get one sector area is equal to 77 divided by 2. So 4 sector area, how can we calculate? 4 into this 77 divided by 2. Next you have to calculate area of square, side square, correct? What is the one side? 14. So 14 into 14, you will get 196. So area of the shaded portion, this 196 minus 4 into this 77 divided by 2. This is the final answer. Next, the given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircle. So this is semicircle, this is semicircle. Okay, the distance between two inner parallel line segment is 60 meters. So this distance between these two parallel line segments is equal to, what is that? 60 meter, and they are each 106 meter long. So this is 106, this is 106 meter long. Okay, if the track is 10 meter wide, so this track, this is the width, is equal to 10 meter wide, which is given in the question. So what are the measurements which is given in the question? You should find out those measurements first. Okay, what is the question? Find the distance around the track along its inner edge. So which is the inner edge? This is the inner edge. So we had to find out the distance around the track along its inner edge. So this is the detailed figure. You can refer this figure. Okay, distance around the track along its inner edge, we can calculate it as this AB plus arc of this BEC, this arc length, plus again CD, this length, plus again arc of this length, AFD. Okay, so this is 106 which is given in the question. This is also 106 which is given in the question. So 106, 106 I written here. You have to calculate the length of this portion. This is a, what is that? Semicircle portions, correct? So how can we calculate? Half into 2 pi r is the circumference of this portion. So I calculated here half into 2 pi r, half into 2 pi r. Half 2 cancel, cancel. So we will get pi r plus pi r, which is equal to 2 pi r. So 10 plus 106 is equal to 2. 12 plus 2 pi r is pi r plus pi r, 2 pi r. So 2 into value of pi is 22 divided by 7 plus radius is 30. How can we get this 30? Because it is here given that it is total is 60. So half means 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 30. Okay. So we will get the area, means distance around the track. The full track distance is equal to 2804 divided by 7 centimeter. Next, the area of the track. Next, we have to calculate this area of this track. How can we calculate the area of track? Area of GHIJ minus area of ABCD. GHIJ, area of this portion, minus area of ABCD. ABCD. So complete this portion minus this area of ABCD. These two are square. One square area minus next square area. We will get the one portion. Again, we should add area of semicircle HKI, which is HKI. This is the bigger semicircle. Area of this semicircle minus area of semicircle BEC, which is BEC, this semicircle area. So we will get the inside portion. Okay, like that here also area of GLD minus area of AFD. We have to calculate each area, then we have to subtract it. Okay, so area of GHIJ means one rectangle is there. So the length and breadth we will get from the figure 106 into 80 minus 106 into 60. So this is the area. First part over. Next, semicircle area. How can we calculate? Half into pi into r is first radius is 40. Second radius is 30. So 40 square. 40 comes from this 80 by 2. 30 comes from this 60 by 2. So we will get 40 and 30 are the two radius. Like that again we are calculated the semicircle area. After this calculation we will get the area of this shaded portion. Okay. So only the thing is we have to subtract first rectangle area minus inner rectangle area. This is outer rectangle, this is inner rectangle. Here it is right side semicircle, outside semicircle and inner semicircle. We have to subtract. Again left side semicircle area minus left side inner side circle area. After that we should add all these areas, then we will get the required area. Clear?